Well, hello there, Lake Havasu City. And welcome to 631 Rolling Hills Drive. Let me introduce myself in case you don't know me already. This is Bobby Lewis with the Lewis team at Remax by the Lake. Bobby and Julie Lewis have been top producing real estate agents here in Lake Havasu City for over 20 years. And Julie and I have a fantastic property to show you again today. Let's take a look inside.
Hello, good morning.
Hi, Julie. How are you?
I am fantastic and very happy to be here to show you 631 Rolling Hills Drive. This is a phenomenal home.
Now this is going to show you what you can get for under $700,000 in Lake Havasu City. And what do we have? 4 bedrooms?
4 bedrooms, 2 baths, oversized garage, phenomenal backyard and pool, great area.
Yeah, I love the area. You're close to Bashes, close to the Riviera. Nice homes surrounding this area. Yeah, it's a beautiful pool out back.
It is an incredible pool, yes. Yep. We sold this home to the current owners years ago, and they are just an amazing family, and they are meticulous. So they take really, really good care of their homes.
Really nice people. This was a long time ago we sold this out.
Forever ago. And of course, they've made improvements, and in fact, they added the pool. That would be bedroom number 2.
And it is a split bedroom floor plan?
It is, indeed.
So we have
3 bedrooms, 1 bath on this side. And a closet. I do too. Very, very nicely appointed. Like I said, they've done a lot of things to clean it up and fix it up. And really good size living area too, a great room. I love this whole space.
And then on this end over here,
we have the laundry room, which I love this. This is so silly, but it's a little thing, but I think it's so great. This is not something you see here often, and it is so useful and so functional. I love it.
behind door number 1.
And out the door to your right, that would be the master suite.
A good sized master. I like
Very
how
good size.
the slider goes off to the backyard.
Right.
There we are in the
Hi.
window. Oh, you could really go high in here too if you wanted to have some extra storage.
Right.
On that.
Do one of those really cool.
That one's extra.
Extra high. Yep.
Extra high.
And I'll say it again. I have a little bit of closet envy.
Nice.
Yes.
hardware.
Mm-hmm.
Nice light.
Walk-in shower.
And it's a pool, but that'll
Okay.
give you a sneak peek. Go peek in the garage.
I love the garage. It's phenomenal. Watch your step.
Oh yeah, mini split AC and swamp cooled, it looks like. Evap cool. That's actually nice. A lot of people don't think the evap cooler comes in handy, but they're very efficient. And what's nice about them, this is a mini split AC, so this will cool it down. But this is an evap cooler. You can run these with the door open. Actually, it works better with the door open. So when you're in your garage in the dry months, they're nice. Wow, really deep there.
Really deep. And it's got RV hookups down at the lower level. You've got additional parking here.
On the side.
There's just, it's.
Can we look around from the backyard at that on the additional parking? We'll be kind of around when we go
I
out
believe
there.
so, yeah.
I don't think I didn't show that on the front.
Useful utility sink.
Great size garage, 2 and wide. And
And 9-foot doors, which
9-foot doors. As I say, last but not least, we can either go through the master or out here, we'll go walk right through the master, make it easy. Really love this backyard. You know what's nice here too? We do have our windy days here. Like it's windy, there's a little wind today, and not a lot, but this is very protected.
Yes.
Very protected. Stamped concrete. The stamped concrete is a really good way to go.
I completely agree.
The cool decking will seal. It takes a lot of maintenance. And this, you can seal, but that's just mopping on. It's easy. But this really great house.
Phenomenal. Love this home.
A lot of home for in the price range with 4 bedrooms, beautiful pool. Well, this is Bobby Lewis.
And I'm Julie Lewis.
And we're the Lewis team, RE/MAX by the Lake. We'd love to help you buy or sell in Lake Havasu City. If you like these videos, we'd be honored if you hit the like and subscribe button. And we'd love comments. Give us feedback. What do you think about this house, or questions, or what you think about us? And we'll see you soon in our piece of paradise, Lake Havasu City. Have a great day.
Bye, y'all.